Aku sekretari, Kak.
Oke, David Sekretaria. Oke, oke. Can you see my screen, David?
Eh,
Okay.
yes, yes, Kak. Yes, I can.
Okay. So, let's go to the first campaign. For the campaign program for the partner refund contract, I had a comment on the Rafiq card for because previously Rafiq will ask the partner for the scheduling for the sign contract, but there is no update yet from Rafiq. So I had comment on his card to update it for the next, and then I also remind him on the Slack for fill for update the card, and then the next one is for community engagement meeting board. Yeah, since Rafiq takes day off previously, so I'm handling for the community engagement board. The update is there is one birthday that I had what's called post as well for the Dream Breeze owner, and then the next one. Let me see. I think this is not the new car. Or this one. Yeah, so there is one progress for the topic birthday card, and then for the monthly key topic there are 15 new monthly key topic, and then 12 new have been appointed as well, and then there are 23 partner have been meeting with us, and then for the feedback and birthdays there are two birthday that's for the host Gembala owner and then Dream Breeze owner, and then there is also 13 actionable insight from me after the meeting. So there's the update for the community engagement board. Do you have any question, David?
Oh, yep.
Okay, well, I will go to the next page. For the community trusted will be hosting by Cynthia at 1:45, and then the next one is partner maintain trust by clear payment report from David. Could you give the update?
Okay. From my side, uh, I think no major update.
Mm-mm.
Just have increased two anomalies and of the anomalies are under payment. And last today we have one pay one payment for I forget from Airbnb, but I forget the property. And um uh Sunrise House Uber.
Yeah, Sunrise House, Ubud.
Yep. Yeah, and for that, we make a group payment for the Sunrise Ubud. Just that from me, Kak. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, David. Yeah, so actually, I was thinking to what's called recheck again all the campaign, and then for your campaign, I have a suggestion. Actually, so because this month is actually will be the end of the January, so I would like you create an what's called summary of the payment anomalies. For example, like what is the most anomalies that always come up, like like on the January, for example, like something that always happening on the January. So after you make that summary, we can discuss it. What is the actually the long term solution for that? So can we actually fixing that issue before that issue it's happen again, like that? So yeah, could you create the
Okay.
summary and then we will discuss it on the Monday? Yeah, is it possible for you, David?
Yep.
Okay, thank you, David. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for the campaign program. So I will go to the next for the discussion management. So for the next paper, yeah. So for the PRM template, I had asked Andre and then Lilis as well for the template that they want. They need information from the partner, and then I will wait for feedback from them as well. And then for the new topic, this is from me. Yeah, I propose for the AMA program for partner. I think we had discussed this before about the what's called the major issue in the community manager that we need to fix. One of them is the communication. So I had make this program actually, and then I was thinking to make it campaign, but there are still some question that I need to what's called to fill it before I make the campaign. So the first is what is AMA. So maybe I will give a little presentation. Yeah, what is the AMA actually. So what is the AMA? AMA it's meant ask me anything. So anything about the question from the partner relate to the finance, marketing, product development, strategy, or training program. We they can come on the allocation time that we had set for the AMA itself. So I think that's more better rather than what's called the personal feedback, because if the owner have any question that they want to ask to us, so we can make a list of the question that from the owner, and then we can try to answer all the question. But if there is any question that actually we need to discuss it or we need to ask someone, we can make it that as a what's called a question bank, and then we can deliver it for the next AMA. And then also what I would like to do is in the end of in the end of the session of the AMA, so we can get the rating satisfaction from the partner. For example, like the partner A asks about question about the finance, right? And then David, uh, for example, is hosting the AMA today, and then you will explain about the finance question from the partner, and then in the end you can ask the partner, hey, can you give me the rating 1 to 5, how is your satisfied about my answer, like that. Then from that we can collect the rating of the what's called engagement from the partner and Bukit Vista, and then we can use that as a result actually. So that's what we want actually, rather than the activity just a meeting, but we don't know like is it the partner satisfied or not from our with our question with our answer, like that. And then the second one, why we make this program? Yes, because the major issue before is like the owner is expecting to get to call us like anytime, and like anywhere, like that. So uh, why I make this program? So I would like to more allocate the time, so the owner is have a new culture for Q&A session, like that with the Bukit Vista, so they can more free to ask us, because sometimes when the owner call me when I'm in the meeting, in the middle of the meeting, so I cannot answer, and then maybe just a little chat, and then I think that's more like not good Q&A as well. But with this program, so I would like to get more intense with the partner, so they can get more trust from us as well, like that. And then the third one, who will control the program? So yeah, so for this program I need someone to control it this program. But I think because currently it's only me and Om Rafiq, so for temporary I will control this program. But if this program is already running, it will be easier to delegate with the new person if all the strategy and all the details is very clear, like that. So I would like to make the details is clear first before, so that will be easier for the next for the future to delegate with the new member. And then the fourth one is who will be hosted the program. So my plan is like I would like to make to what's called to broad to announce with the partner or the community, like for example, like hey, on the Monday, David will hosting the AMA, for example. All the question related to finance, you can come on the time, like that. So every owner that have a question about the finance things, like about the details of the payment, when the payment come and everything, so they can come on the Sunday like that. But if there is and then for the next week, for example, like uh, I have HAR that will be hosting the program. So yeah, I will announce that. Hey, if there is any question related the guest, related the reservation, check-in or everything, you can come on the time like that. So that's actually my plan. Actually, so we can more focus on the AMA because on that time all the partner that have a question about the particular chapter, they can more focusing rather than everything like that, David. Okay, so and then the next one is when is the program? Yeah, for the when is the program, this is what I would like to discuss it. Is it do we roll out this program like every day, or like a week two times, or a week three times, or what like that? So that's I would like to want that I would like to discuss it. And then where to have the AMA? Yeah, I think for the AMA itself, we have the Google Hangout or Google Meet with the partner, so we can use that channel for the channel to hosting the partner. And then how we deliver this program. Yeah, and then for the how we deliver this program, so this is actually I would like to discuss with community as well how we deliver this program like that. Okay, so this is the I make the poster that for the partner that I can we can roll out after this program is clear like that. Okay, I think that's that from me. From David, maybe what do you think about this program? And then is it this program is makes sense, or or do you think it's we don't need this program like that?
Yeah. From my in my opinion, I think this the vision of uh, the 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 vision or tujuan that uh, for the this program is great for the to allocate special time to guests for ask anything. But I'm little confused about the maybe the system. See,
Hmm.
for the system, um, it will make the first case it will make confused about jadi selain waktu itu apakah aku nggak bisa nanya kayak gitu terus
Hmm.
satu itu mungkin membuat dan um, if we menjalankan program ini nantinya harus ada konsistensi yang jelas.
Yeah.
Jangan misalnya waktu kita belum ada memang, tapi
Hmm.
misalnya kita buatnya jadinya setiap hari harus jalan setiap hari gitu.
Yeah.
Soalnya kita yang berani berbuat sih.
Hmm.
Maybe for the system sih, sistemnya aja.
Hmm.
Tapi buat tujuannya bagus.
Okay, so I think that's the question about the when ya, when is the programnya, setiap hari apa, atau apakah setiap hari kayak gitu, sama
Yep.
lebih ke who will be control the program ya, biar konsisten kayak gitu kan.
Yep.
Oke, jadi who will control the program ya, actually uh, this is kind of like the daily tasks or daily routine of the community, because in community we don't have daily routine, right? Like like for example like a HR, the daily routine is the taking reservation every day, have the guest check in, right? Yeah, and then what is the daily routine, and then the responsible of community, the responsible of community manager is collect the feedback, even though it's if the every day it's more good, right? You get what's called question and every day, and it's kind of like you are available for the partner like every day that that they have question, because I was thinking as well if we make like a one times a week, and then like maybe the owner have a question today and then cannot wait until next week, right? Like that. So I think from my side, it wi- it is possible to get every day with the allocation time for like from 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. before the working hour finish, right? So after we working in the so in the morning and afternoon, uh, the what's called the goal is we will reduce the noise on the morning and then afternoon, like that. So in the morning and afternoon we can focusing on the campaign, on the program, on the training, on everything, and then like engage with the new partner. But on for the any question, so we can allocate that time on the 5 until 6, like that. So that will be like a daily routine. We can just open the what's called online the room. So if there is any partner come, then we can host that partner, and then like make the quiz list of the question, and then if we can answer it, then we can answer it. If not, we can give the expectation to the partner, like when we can deliver the answer, like that.
Yep. And then ini sih saran sih Kak.
Mm.
Uh, kita bisa buat satu Google Meet dan satu lagi belum tahu siapa ya.
Ya.
Buat untuk owner mungkin yang nggak mau yang nggak mau kelihatan muka atau gimana gitu. Jadi kan gitu sih.
Oke. Jadi mungkin
Jadi kayak komen aja gitu,
oh gitu. Ya 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 ya. Mungkin gini
like
sih.
komen atau gimana gitu. Mm-mm.
Mungkin em, untuk yang lebih ke offline itu sebenarnya kita bisa we can deliver via survei gitu. Jadi kan kita sebulan roll out survei tuh gitu. Jadi mungkin kalau misalnya ada feedback atau ini kita bisa pakai surveinya untuk yang offline. Tapi sebenarnya what I want to have is sebenarnya uh, we know each other gitu loh. We kalau
Oh, I
ya jadi
see.
uh, why we use the Google Meet so we can see the face, the expression,
Mm-mm.
like that. Yeah, so because sometimes, for example, like when you are talking, and then for example like in the online, and then the person that you you talk with is turn off the camera, and then you don't know, right? And then
Mm-mm.
you feel like
Ya.
you feel like oh, this person is it hear me or not, like that, right? So yes, kind of like that. So what is the goal as well is like I would like to know the partner expression. Is it like good, and then like they have the
Oh.
problem or happy, so I can see the face, like that, David. Yeah, so that I think
Mm.
will be get more connection with the partner, like that.
Okay, I see.
Okay, and then like yeah, so I was plan like for the program, so we can do every day. Actually, we can do every day. It's possible, but for the every day, it will be hosting by me or Om Rafiq for the every day. But for the specialist team, I think we can set the schedule. For example, like I will ask you like, hey David, when you can hosting the partner, like that, and then oh yeah, I can host on the next Friday, for example. Then I can make a poster, and then I can post on the Facebook or broadcast on the WhatsApp, like, hey, next Friday we have a specialist team from finance that will be hosting. So if you have any problem, issue, or question related to finance, you can come and join to us to get more knowledge, like that, about the finance. Okay, and then like for example like tomorrow marketing team it's available for hosting the AMA, right? And then yeah, I can make the poster. Hey, tomorrow we have the specialist team from the marketing. If you have any question about the marketing, please come on this time, like that. But for the regular AMA is I will open the room every day at 5. I will just open the room. If there's any owner that want to join, want to come, they can just come and join at 5 until 6. But if there is any special host that can hosting the ama, I can just make a poster and then tell. For example, like that's kind of like the beefy, what's called
Yeah,
beefy happy hour, right?
if it, uh,
It's kind of like happy
yeah.
hour like that. So hey, tomorrow this person will hosting and then make announcement. Hey, this person will hosting and then about this like that, like that.
Yep. Oh, halo, halo, Bentar ya. Halo, halo, kok suara kakak nggak ada ya?
Halo,
Oh, sorry, sorry.
halo David, aku dengar suaramu loh.
Halo, Pak. Oke,
Dah,
udah,
oke oke.
udah. I Yap, jadi kalau dari aku Kak, kalau semisalnya tujuan utamanya kita lebih ke know each other gitu dan I think we kita nggak perlu juga setiap hari sih kalau
Hmm. Oke, jadi
ini sih Kak, tapi kalau misal
hmm, gimana?
entah weekday atau bisa juga entah cuman weekday atau ya sih aku saran lebih ke weekday ya.
Oke, jadi mungkin kita bisa berarti lebih kayak event gitu ya. Jadi
Yep.
mungkin seminggu kita bisa 2 kali, mungkin setiap hari apa ya bisanya community nggak ada scrum itu mungkin hari Selasa, Jumat, atau weekend mungkin weekend hari apa ya? Hari Minggu kayak gimana?
Jumat ada yang
Minggu nggak bisa ya? Banyak yang libur sih Minggu.
Minggu. Iya,
Hmm.
takutnya
Kalau Sabtu sih
Selasa Kamis aja.
Sabtu aku off. Selasa. Selasa Kamis terlalu dekat nggak sih?
Senin Kamis maksud.
Sama kayak Scrum berarti.
Heeh.
Senin Kamis, Senin Kamis. Tapi Senin Kamis itu kita coba cek ke chapter lain ya. Mereka
Oh,
takutnya setiap hari Senin sama Kamis tuh mungkin BI nggak bisa setiap hari Senin sama Kamis gitu. Nanti kan mereka nggak bisa hosting gitu. Mungkin aku cek juga sama kalender yang dari ini lain. Mungkin mereka apakah ada sync up jam segitu atau enggak kayak gitu. Mungkin untuk in the first-nya mungkin kita bisa running dulu ya gitu. Mungkin Senin Kamis dulu. Nanti kita kan bisa minta feedback dari partner gitu.
ya.
Apakah program ini cukup 1 sampai 2 kali aja seminggu atau kalian pengen lebih atau kalian pengen gimana kayak gitu kan kita bisa minta feedback dari mereka tuh kayak gitu setelah akhir session. Oke, eh berarti ini proposalnya Senin Kamis ya. Oke. Heeh. Jam 5 sampai 6. Nanti kita juga bisa minta feedback sih dari partner sambil jalan juga nanti apakah should this program is in the morning. Jadi around 9 until 10 or in the 5 until 6 gitu. Jadi kita mungkin need more feedback from the partner as well about this program. Okay, and then still on the when we can roll out this program. And what do you think we can start on the next week on the Sunday? Sorry, Monday next week. What do you?
Yep.
Okay, so on the Monday, oh yeah, for the what's called for the beginning, uh, can you can you hosting on the Monday for maybe David with me
Yep.
about the finance ya? Berarti about the finance and then community ya, community program. Apa? What's called on community like training and finance like that. Okay. Yeah, I think mostly maybe the partner asking about the bigger or how to read the payment on the bigger, how to access the bigger. So I think that's part of the training and then the finance as well. Like that. Okay, so I will make the poster for the finance and then training ya. Okay. Oh yeah, David, do you have any picture so I can make the brochure? Any photos?
Um, what?
Ada kamu punya fotos nggak? Foto nggak?
Oh ya, ya.
Nanti kirim ya untuk aku buat poster. Oke, oke berarti we start running the program on the Monday for the AMA, and then you David and me will hosting the program on the Monday. Okay, thank you. And then
One thing juga.
yes,
What will we do if there's no owner in Monday?
okay. So actually, uh, I plan to roll out this poster tomorrow, and then I'll I will I will roll out what's called ya. I will roll out about the attendance survey like that. What do you think the attendance survey like with talk gitu loh. Jadi kayak
Mhm.
siapa aja sih yang mau datang hari Senin hari Monday itu. Jadi kita bisa call gitu loh. Misalnya dia yang belum datang jadi kita bisa remind dia hari Monday.
Oke, oke.
Oke. Oke, terus um, we can Tandy will make the registration or attendees checklist like that attendees checklist. Okay, maybe while you write the conclusion, so I just open, maybe I will just show you the Canva. Yeah, it will be kind of like this, like a GIF video. So it will be like the photo of the host, for example, like a you and me, and then it will be on Sunday. The time is on Sunday. Sorry, on Monday at 5 until 6 p.m. Hosted by finance and community manager like that. So yeah, we can roll out that program. Okay, and then I will also introduce to the partner on the Facebook group about this new program. Yeah, thank you. And then if there is any question, David.
Nope,
Okay,
all clear.
okay, yeah. Thank you. And then for the next topic, yeah, actually, this is I would like also want to discuss it with Om Rafik, actually, and but since Om Rafik not here yet, and then I will discuss with him later for the in the next meeting, and then now I will just discuss it about your campaign, yeah, David, yeah. Okay, so about your campaign, David. So yeah, actually, uh, I would like to review all the campaign on the community again. So make sure that's still alignment, and then also there is a real a goal like the clear goal or clear vision that we want when we doing that campaign, right? Okay, so for the first is the finance campaign, and then the first question is result of the campaign. Yeah, so for the result of the campaign, uh what do you think the the vision, what's called the goal of your campaign?
For the goal, for the short uh, tujuan yang pendek sih, pertama untuk memberi to inform the guests about the payment, but I think that's
Oh,
if there's any lack of
hurdle.
time, lack of time.
Oh,
Itu yang pertama. Dan untuk jangka panjangnya untuk transparansi itu sih.
okay, yeah, because uh, okay, well, let me see your campaign, yeah.
Oke.
Okay, this is, yeah, the title is maintain partner trust by clear payment report, right? And then you reporting about the anomalies, and then you classify the anomalies is under or the offer, and then the D is you notify to the partner, and then D the settlement. Okay, so the first question is what's called the result of campaign, right? Or the main goal of the campaign. So on my opinion, David, so I think the result of the campaign itself, it's, and in the every month or each month, the good result or the good progress of your campaign is the number of anomalies is decreasing, not increasing, right?
Oke.
Yeah, so it in the each month the payment anomalies is decreasing, and then how you can decreasing the anomalies is by summarize the last month anomalies. Then you can see what is the most issue that you got from the anomalies. For example, like you had classify, right, the underpayment and overpayment. Okay, most of the anomalies is for the overpayment, like that. And then okay, so you have the data overpayment or and then underpayment, and then you can create the milestone, like how you solve, and then who you can reach to solve that anomalies, like that. For example, like there is the source is from the Airbnb. You can contact the Airbnb person, like, hey, actually I would like to I would like to I would like to fixing my problem, my issue, like that. It has been happen last month, like a 13 time, for example, or 20 time, and then I would like to fixing this for the long term. And then you can ask the Airbnb team, like, hey, uh, could, can you work with me, like, to solve this problem or issue for the long term, like that. And then you can get the feedback from the Airbnb as well, like, hey, actually you can do this, so you will never facing this problem again, like that, David. So yeah, that's actually the result. The main goal of your campaign is reduce the payment anomalies, like that. So how you maintain the trust by reducing the anomalies, right?
But
Hmm.
sedikit ya Kak. Jadi
Yeah.
ini juga summary juga sih dari
Hmm.
aku, belum summary ininya, tapi aku jelaskan juga sih summary dari aku gitu.
Yeah.
Jadi uh, selama ini kan memang banyak, terus dari bulan lalu juga
Hmm.
uh, masih banyak juga, bahkan sampai direct booking dan travel TA gitu kan.
Nah.
Jadi aku udah coba apa sih namanya, menguranginya dengan cara satu, Traveloka dan Agoda nih lagi aku ambil aksesnya, jadi aku yang megang
Hmm.
akses, jadi nggak
Okay.
perlu satu. Terus direct udah aku usahakan sebelum 3 hari gitu.
Yeah.
But cuman satu sih Kak, kan booking.com udah dihapus gitu. Dan
Hmm.
buat Airbnb, um, buat Airbnb sih agak sulit,
Hmm.
soalnya satu belum ada akses ke situ juga Kak, dan
Yeah.
satu gini sih, di kebanyakan yang sekarang itu dia kan telat dari 5 hari, di
Hmm.
hari ke bisa jadi di hari ke-8 udah dibayar kayak gitu, dan bisa jadi bigger kita nggak kedetek, jadi agak sulit sih buat yang menangani yang Airbnb sekarang gitu sih.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I understand with the situation, David. Yeah. So, you can actually break down that summary, and then your what's called usaha kamu untuk solve itu kan, kayak tadi, you take the control of Agoda sama uh, you can make a list like which problem or which issue that you cannot fixing yet for example like the Airbnb, and then we can discuss it, and then I can help you to together with for example like Mas Bayu or VD, like how we we fix this issue like that, how we can fix this issue from the Airbnb, and then we can connect the Airbnb together, like find the best solution for that, like that. Okay, thank you. But you get the point, right? And reducing, I think you get the point to reducing the payment anomalies like every month, like that. So that's actually your SLA. Like you can sorry, the first that's actually the KPI. KPI is number of payment anomalies decreasing or reduce like that. And then the KPI, you can create the KPI, for example like a 5% payment anomalies reduce every month, like that. For example like this month is 140, and then next month you can able to reduce like 100 to be 130. Oh, then you achieve your SLA, like that. Okay, yeah. So I would like you create that idea. Maybe make a paper first or something. You create that idea, and then we can review and then fixing the campaign. So your campaign will be more strong and then more clear. Yeah. So if you have new member or new person that will help you on your campaign, it will be more easier for the new member, because they will know like what is the purpose of this campaign. Okay, oh yeah, the purpose of this campaign is reducing the payment anomalies, and then how you reducing the payment anomalies, like so you can do this, do this, do this, do this. So that actually will be more clear for you and then for your team for the future, like that. Okay, thank you, David. And then yeah, for the result of the campaign, and then for short time goal, yeah, actually, uh, the short time goal is you can make like the SLA like a 5% reduce every month, like that. So that's actually the short time goal. Yeah, before if because if we focusing on the long term goal, that will be you will not see any progress each month, right? What is the progress each month? You will blur like that. But if you can see like the short time goal, so you can see, oh, you have the progress. Okay, from the last month I had reducing 5% the anomalies. Okay, and then for the next month you reducing the 5% again. The next month you reducing the 5% again. So you have the short time goal, like that. And then for the next one, the number three is delegation. So I believe you you want to grow, right? You want to grow, and then you want to learn new things. So I believe you not will forever stay on that campaign, right? And then you need to delegation to the new member, so you can step up to the next level, for example like that. For example like the finance about the company or something. So that's the setup. And then before you make that delegation, so you need to make it clear your campaign. Yeah, because uh, remember your campaign is, it's not only about just the activity, but because if just the activity, it will be never finish, right? Even though you set the deadline. But if based on the goal, for example like, okay, for the long term goals is like a no anomalies, no payment anomalies in Bukit Vista. That's the long term goal, right? That's what you want in the future. But how you can reach that goal, you need to set the milestone, and then the goal, the short term goal, and then what how you achieve the goal, like that. So you can think like that, and then you can make your campaign more strong, and then you can put on the details on the card, like a short term goal and everything, and a SLA KPI, like that. And then of course I will help you, and then you can also discuss with Wayana as well. Like for example like you said, hi Mo, actually I have campaign in community, so the campaign currently is like this, but I would like to revision this campaign. Well, and then my proposal is like this. So you had prepared the proposal, Okay, so I would like to read the result is reducing the anomalies, and then like short time. This is my short time goal, and this is my KPI. This is my SLA like that, and then you can propose that, and then you can discuss with Wayana or with me like that, David. Okay. Okay. Do you have any question, David?
No. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, you can record put on the discussion yeah on the paper. Okay, yeah, and then the conclusion is you you can make the summary of your campaign, and then you can create your idea for the new goal, and then the short term goal, and then the KPI and SLA like that. Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And then also I would like to discuss with Om Rafiq as well to revision the campaign, so it will be make more clear, and then also it will be easier if you want to delegate with the new member. So but in the beginning you need to make your campaign strong and then clear first like that. Okay, thank you, David. Hello, Cynthia. Welcome.
Halo, Kak Teddy.
Okay,
Thank
yeah, I
you.
think yeah we are on time. Just finishing the discussion on the community, and then yeah I think we can move to the community page, Cynthia. Let me see. Yeah, this one. Oh yeah, so
Oke.
yeah, this is the last update, Cynthia. Oh sorry. This is the last update that I need the message from what called from Maria, the progress
Ya,
of the blog. And then Philip Lekman as well scheduling the meeting this week by Nadia.
oke. Thank you, Kak Tendi. Yes, for me, actually, I'm sorry I haven't updated the detail of
Hmm.
the funnel. But currently I'm working on so we're planning to have a C talk, public right,
Yeah.
for public. And then, hi Maria. And then right now I've just create the template for the paper. Maybe I can attach it on the Trello later. And then after that, okay, actually I've asked this last Monday. I'm sorry I can't attend last Monday because of my health issue. So have we decided who will be the first community expert, like from the architect, and like interior design, or maybe for the speakers for the C talk? Have we decided about it? That the things that I'd like to know first.
I think not yet, Cynthia, but I think we can vote or we can suggest get suggestion from the each member.
Okay, then well, I see that so far we have got ini ya for the arsiteknya GFAB Architects, Flora Natural Villas Architecture.
Hmm.
Interior desainnya kita ada Mahalati, Gil Willen, and Pest Control, Eco for Pest and Geothermic. Terus ada Homeware and Woodworking Solution juga. Also furniture. Oh, maybe to cut in this. I heard previously that you done the research, kind of research to our partner. What is our partner need most actually right now for the service?
Okay, so yeah, from the uh, what's called the meeting and then the discussion with the partner. Yeah, currently, uh, most of the partner is having difficulty to maintain the operational costs actually.
Hmm.
That's the actually currently mainly because uh, while their villa or property is empty, all the cost is still running, right? For example, like
Yep, yep, yep.
pool and then Wi-Fi, because just in case like there is last minute, so they need to stand by the Wi-Fi like that. And then also the second issue is about the what's called the bugs or the pet like that. For example, like there is a lot of what's called cicak, lizard, apa sih namanya bahasa Inggrisnya, cicak itu, and then sometimes the guest is doesn't like or about that, and then also there's like a ant. Sometimes the ant in the house. I got that complaint from the Despacito guest previously about there's a ant, lot of ant goes to the room like that. And then the third one is about the moldy, because currently there is a raining season, right? And then the room it's kind of like ada kayak itu tuh loh, kayak hijau gitu di temboknya, kadang-kadang kayak
Lembab gitu ya?
kayak lembab gitu karena raining. Jadi how
Yap, yap, yap.
how to maintain the room kayak always look fresh gitu loh. Kalau walaupun ada tamu tuh jadi kayak tetap fresh gitu roomnya kayak gitu.
Okay. Okay. Mungkin so far for the things that we got yang nantinya harus ada, mungkin ada dari ini ya, pest control. Karena ada permasalahan dari apa tuh namanya? Dari hewan-hewan tadi itu. Jadi first of all yang we should have adalah pest control. And then for to maintaining the furniture, should be from the last one for the furniture?
Not furniture, the room I mean.
The room,
Jadi kayak mungkin itu
apa ya?
bisa related ke struktur bangunannya. Gimana ya? Mungkin lembab itu penyebabnya kamar itu lembab itu lebih ke apanya ya biasanya? Apakah karena bahan dari temboknya tersebut atau warnanya atau apanya gitu. Jadi kayak mungkin kalau misalnya lebih ke arsitek itu seharusnya arsitek bisa tahu kan gimana cara bangunannya, struktur bangunan agar tidak lembab gitu. Dari bahannya, mungkin itu sih yang kita mungkin bisa tanyain ke arsitek sih. Mungkin kita bisa nanyain the beginning gitu sebelum ke publik. Jadi kita bisa nanyain ke expertnya. Jadi kalau kita ada masalah problem ini nih, kira-kira kamu bisa nggak menjawab this, atau you have the solution nggak for this kind of problem gitu. Jadi kita reconfirm dulu sih mungkin.
Oke, bener. Itu bisa sih Kak. Buat itu mungkin kalau misalnya buatnya itu nanti kita having discussion di channel aja. Maksudnya kita udah ada beberapa punya kan, udah ada beberapa target-targetnya. Tapi so far apakah kita masih maintaining communication ke mereka ya? Mungkin tuh Nadia.
Kalau communication sih, kalau dari aku pribadi sih enggak ya. Karena setelah kita selesai, biasanya sih udah selesai. Kirim email yang apresiasi itu udah. Kecuali ada apa tindak lanjut, apa mau partnership dan sebagainya. Tapi kalau secara berjangka panjang sih enggak.
Oke, tapi masih ada, maksudnya ada dokumen buat kontak-kontaknya itu masih ada ya, masih tersimpan ya?
Masih ada semua kok, iya.
Okay, and then I think for that we should start to contacting after we get our kit for the speakers letter, and then we're gonna having that discussion on the communication channel, and maybe we could vote from that. And okay, I'd like to know first to Maria, have you done for the blog post?
Yes, I have done the blog post, and then bapaknya minta ada yang ganti lagi gitu. Ada beberapa kalimat yang mau minta ganti lagi.
Maria.
But and then I cannot access strikingly. Hello?
Halo Maria, ya.
Okay, so I cannot access strikingly again, Kak Tendi, could you please help?
Ke logout atau gimana?
It's my connection, Kak Cynthia. That's why I cannot open my camera too. Gimana Kak Tendi?
Is it logout atau nggak bisa akses kayak edit atau gimana?
Tulisannya aku nggak bisa masuk ke Strikingly-nya.
Oke, ya. I think we can pairing for that ya. After
Oke,
this.
oke.
Hmm.
Oh,
Ya.
Yep.
And also for the geothermics itu Kak, belinya nanyain kok reviewnya kita nggak ada gitu.
Oh, review di Maps-nya.
Iya, review di Google-nya kok kita nggak ada, perasaan kan karena kemarin kita udah kasih review kan, cuman waktu dicari sama beli Andre-nya nggak ketemu.
Oh, mungkin kemarin itu ada friction-nya. Nah, Fadil kan dia review pakai Google akun Bukit Vista. Akun pribadinya gitu. Nah, kemarin itu kesalahannya itu. Jadi setelah di turn off, jadi kan dihapus tuh akunnya Fadil. Jadi hilang reviewnya dia gitu. Jadi kemarin itu aku udah review beberapa partner. Itu contohnya kayak ini, tapi belum semua sih, belum selesai. Jadi masih on progress gitu sih. Jadi aku reviewnya pakai akun Bukit Vista admin itu loh. Kayak itu. Jadi yang kayak ini sih. Jadi yang kayak ini udah aku review mereka. Jadi masih progres. Mungkin geothermics belum aku review sih kayaknya.
Udah Kak yang geothermics, coba lihat di kartu geothermics. Soalnya udah aku kirimin fotonya itu kan. Udah aku kirimin terus bapaknya bilang nggak ada gitu.
Oh iya, ini kan udah aku review dia.
Aku nggak ada Kak di review Google Maps.
Tapi ini benar nggak ininya dia, kantornya?
Iya, aku tunjukin tuh fotonya, terus bapaknya bilang nggak ada, ini belum ada gitu.
Coba Google Maps ya. Tapi dia bilang udah benar itunya. Itu ininya dia kan. Soalnya cuma geothermics cuma itu aja.
Iya.
Test control kan. Ini kan? Let's see. Oh, 2 bulan lalu.
Nggak ada kan?
Kok bisa nggak ada ya?
I don't know either.
Padahal itu udah masuk loh. Geothermics.
Bikinin lagi
ada
aja.
Ada 2 kah? Ada 2 kayaknya dia buat. Ada ini nih.
Oh.
Okay. Nggak ada. What? Udah masuk loh padahal. Ya coba ntar aku coba cek deh. Tapi ini fotonya harusnya bener loh. Geothermics yang dia lagi test control. Oke, ntar aku coba cek ya.
Yap, thank you Kak Tendi.
Yuk. Oke, back to Cynthia.
Okay, thank you Kak Tendi for that. And then to Nadia, we will have a meeting with Philip. What is that?
Blackman.
Itu by this week ya?
Hopefully sih by this week. Tapi aku udah kayak get back to the person ya. Mbak itu yang sebagai representatifnya. She hasn't get back to me. She hasn't replied my text for 2 days. Jadi I don't know whether she already signed something in the Calendly or I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay, then if it's the case, should we keep moving on or we turn it down aja?
What if we keep moving on and then let's see how they respond?
Okay, when will you give like the deadline for this?
I would say like next week. I would keep like persuading them if like they have no, if they're not responding, then we can just move on.
Okay, then so next week?
Yep. I think the same as today is to stay next week.
So February 4, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, then if by that date you haven't got any response, we will turn it down, yeah? For the Philip. Okay, then. Okay. Well, guys, actually,
Kak Tendi.
Cynthia.
Oh, Cynthia, ya. I just come up in my mind like because previously uh, the relation or the connection with this expert is just like stuck until after we have a meeting, right? There is no, and then there's no communication. So I have planned to invite all these experts to the Facebook group, because on the Facebook group we post the content like every week, like a 2 times in week. So maybe they also will get the feed from Bukit Vista, and then we can stay connect with them, with this
Okay.
all the expert. And then uh, also when we have the meeting with the expert on public or something, so we can also mention on the Facebook group, right? This is Alessandra, and then we can also when we inviting them on the group, we can introduce them to the common partner. Hey, this welcome Alessandra. Alessandra is the architect or something. So you have, if you have any what's called discussion, feel free to ask me to set the meeting, or you can ask the Alessandra like, directly like that.
Hmm, I think so, Kak. Well, I think that's a great idea. Well, it's already one, but okay, I will have ini ya, fast conclusion for that.
Hmm.
Kak Tendi, I think I'll know more about that,
Yeah.
about actually what is community are doing right now, especially for the partner relation. So, who is the secretary today, Kak? David? No?
David.
Okay. David, would you please add on card on the community uh, page? I think it's fine on the community Trello. So first of all, Nadia will get back about the it by at the sorry at on February 4th, and then Maria will have Kak Tendi for posting the articles for the Jensen furniture, and then and I will have another pairing with Kandi as well regarding the community going right now. So actually, because honestly speaking, like I still blurry like oh apa aja nih yang sudah sedang berjalan. So I need to know more. So I need to have a pairing with Kak Tendi regarding that. And also, I will finish my CTOL template by next meeting. Like, so when will we have a next meeting? Tomorrow?
Monday.
Oh, Monday. Okay. Yes. By the next meeting, or then already got the CTOL, and I will have a meeting with Kak Tendi by tomorrow. Yeah, Kak, I will send the invitation. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's pretty much it, guys, for the community part. And then I'm so sorry because I'm still like blurry and still looking for guidance here. I hope you can bear with me. And then thank you for the time, and I will give it back to Kak Tendi.
Okay, thank you very much, Cynthia, Maria, and then Nadia as well as David to join the community Scrum today. Yeah, I think we can continue our work, and then please remember the note that on the card, what the next task that you need to follow up. So hopefully it will be done soon, and then we also can connecting our partner and then the expert. So thank you also Cynthia for helping us. So yeah, thank you very much for today for joining the meeting. Have a good day everyone. Bye bye.
Bye.